Hey folks, welcome back to yet another segment on Josh Connect Media. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the all-new 2021 Benelli TRK 502X. This is a medium to high-grade adventure motorcycle pretty much good for all off-roads, rain, and normal rides. The Benelli TRK 502X comes with a 500cc engine displacement. It rolls out with 2 valves per cylinder and has bore and stroke size of 69 by 66.8 millimeters. The transmission of this motorcycle is a cool 6-speed with a wet clutch. This Benelli adventure motorcycle is a very comfy bike with good handling abilities and comes with a 47 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. It has a torque of 46 Newton meters at 6,000 RPM. The Benelli TRK 502X comes with a cool pocket budget of $6,399, and this is the store price. The curb weight of this motorcycle is 235 kilograms. It can easily handle 2 people with an additional luggage at the back or the sides, and it won't cause any problem. It has a width mirror of 38 inches and the bars are 36 inches. The seat height of this 502X is 840 millimeters with a ground clearance of 220. It has a fuel capacity of 20 liters, which also comes with a reserve tank of 3 liters. There is a 2-channel anti-brake system on this motorcycle, but not traction control. The wheels come with steel spokes and the windscreen do not rattle with any sound like a rattlesnake. It's solid as a rock. If you are new here and you want to see more videos and stay connected, consider smashing the subscribe sign for me. Thank you for doing that. Leave a comment. Check other videos in the playlist which have been made easy for you.